basically for prelims, the mode is changing. Right now it's not only about that you have to get 120 and all, it's not like that. And it's not more about current affairs. Right? There are 4 things which I feel is important. One is static. Static again covers all the subjects. Then second is, I would say, test papers, the various test series, coaching institutes and all. Third would be, then I would say, current affairs. The fourth again I would say the past year questions. As the exam gets approached, as the exam is coming by, the test papers, the past year question papers of prelims. So these are the 4 things, and I think the priority also has to be given in the same way.
3 years నుంచి నాకు పరిచయము. అప్ టు నౌ ఐ సా 2 people. 2 people are there, but the most down grounded is one is Akshay, other is Ashwin. Completely down. ఎలా అంటే ఎవరికైనా కూడా ఈజీగా అప్రోచ్. ఇలాంటి పీపుల్ సర్వీస్లో ఉండాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకున్నాను అనమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ ద రైట్ పీపుల్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇన్ టు ద బ్యూరోక్రసీ హూ డజంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ 1% ఆఫ్ ఏ నేచర్ వేర్ బై థింకింగ్ ఎథినోసెంట్రిజం అంటారు మన ఆంథ్రోపాలజీ లాంగ్వేజ్లో. ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ అబ్సెంట్. And I appreciate you, Akshay. Really, you deserve this service.